Hi everyone, we're here today to talk about HIV/AIDS. It's a serious topic, but it's one we need to understand to protect ourselves and our communities. This isn't about fear, it's about knowledge and empowerment. Getting tested for HIV is quick, simple, and confidential. There are many ways to get tested, and it's crucial to know your status early. Diagnosis is key to effective treatment and another life.
Many people with HIV don't experience symptoms initially. However, some may experience flu-like symptoms, fatigue or swollen lymph nodes. It's important to remember that a diagnosis of HIV is not a death sentence. With proper medical care, people with HIV can live long healthy lives. Preventing HIV involves making informed choices. Using condoms consistently and correctly is crucial. Crucial other preventive measures include avoiding sharing needles and educating yourself and others about HIV transmission.
HIV is not spread through casual contact. It's important to challenge stigma and misconceptions surrounding HIV and AIDS. People living with HIV deserve our support and understanding. Knowing your status is empowering. Get tested, protect yourself, and help break the stigma surrounding HIV and AIDS. Together, we can make difference.